I'm sure you've heard the news. Leo's toy ship is about to embark on an epic pond journey. Meet Leo, the brave captain of a mighty toy ship. Today his ship is setting sail on the vast blue pond. With a gentle push, the ship glides through the water, sparkling like magic. Look, the ship's tiny sail catches the wind. Whoosh! Leo watches in awe as his ship dances with the ripples. Bon voyage, Captain, he shouts, waving goodbye. The toy ship ventures past lily pads and greets the cheerful frogs. Glug glug, says the fish as it swims by. Oh, the wonders of the pond. Leo's eyes sparkle with excitement. Every wave, every splash tells a new story. And as the sun sets, Leo's ship returns, safe and sound. What a grand adventure for Leo and his toy ship. Until next time, little sailors, keep dreaming and exploring.